good. We're headed out to High Banks Park. Here's our illustrious driver, and we're going to go see what we can get into. Hey, we got new, I don't know that we need trekking poles at High Banks Park, but I got new trekking poles for my birthday. So, here we go. So we brought snacks. What snacks did we bring?
I don't know. I didn't pack them. I packed water and Gatorade, and extra water and extra Gatorade because of what happened the last time. But I heard that somebody may have packed golden Oreos.
Golden Oreos. We have potato chips and cheese and oranges because we want something healthy.
Wait a minute.
And
do we even have potato chips?
Yeah. We have some Waves potato chips. Waves. Lay's wavy potato waves.
You packed cheese.
So, yeah, we got those little cheeses you bought.
Oh,
so we have yummy snacks. So we're good to go. We do match the trees.
No, you match the trees.
I match the trees. Yeah.
You're recording.
There. I know.
Why?
I meant to.
Why are you recording?
We're starting on the trail.
Starting on the trail. Here we
go.
go.
Trail. Getting us walking down trail.
Walking down trail.
Walking down trail.
Watch out for that tree stump.
Oh. Look at that leaf. Wow. That's crazy. Look how red that is against this yellow one. That's cool. Where's this go? Little bridge to nowhere. I think it goes out to a meadow. Cindy's already up there. Oh. If we had moose, this would be a great place for a moose. Very cool. See any moose?
Oh dear. I take a picture first.
Here, I got this for you.
Thanks, it's beautiful.
Save it forever and ever and ever.
Okay.
Cherish this moment.
Very much so.
You're just going to leave it there. Look at this meadow. Lots of bees still out there. It's very pretty. Well, it's just about the end of our hike. What do you think?
I think we have different perspectives on hiking.
We do?
Yes.
How come?
Because I want to hike and go, and you want to take pictures and twirl in circles.
But we did it.
Well, we're almost there.
We didn't even argue once. Did we?
I don't think so.
Good job. Ready? Hike 5.